I don't know if you've been paying attention to the Twitter feed in the right-hand column of most of these pages, including this one. But these images, these 9 here, these were all part of my MasterPixels exploration. And what those images have in common is that they all came from this image, from, I call it MasterPixels because this is a masterpiece. This is Vermeer's The Girl with the Pearl Earring, or in Dutch, there you go. You can pronounce that. I certainly can't. So if I jump over to Photoshop, we have the image of the girl with the pearl earring. And it's that low-res version you were looking at, and that's from Wikipedia Commons, and we have permission to use these. Wikipedia Commons has images from around the world that are all copyright free. And the idea behind this was, I am supposed to introduce you to art history in digital art. So why not do it in an unusual way? So in this project, I selected 64 pixels, an 8 pixel by 8 pixel grid from this image. From right there, actually, in the white of her eye, if this seemingly blank layer, if I command click on this, perhaps you can faintly see that, but if I zoom in, I'm going to hold down the space bar and the command key, and then zoom in by pulling to the right, zoom in all the way, and here are 8 pixels by 8 pixels, 64 pixels from the white of her eye. If I click and zoom out, you can see. There we go. That's the selection. That's the selection of these 64 pixels. Actual size, right there. Or on your computer, I'll hit Command plus, right there. And out of those came these layer stacks of Photoshop. This is 1A, so that means this is the first layer stack of this iteration. This is a B, so this is the second layer stack. And again, this is a D, so this is the fourth layer stack of a different iteration of those same exact pixels. How can these very different images and the other ones you saw on Instagram all come out of that? That's what we're going to be exploring in this set of tutorials. We're all going to start with the same selection after you get into this and after you see its value, because I got to admit, I was kind of wondering, is this really going to be worthwhile? There are so many Photoshop and Illustrator skills we're going to learn, and it just makes you a better artist, whether or not you pursue images like this or images like this. You will learn about layers and blending modes and all kinds of other neat things that I want to make part of your everyday workflow. Got it? So let's get started.